Hello dear traders, you're on Forex TV channel with me, Katerina Stikhina. At the beginning of the trading week, the US dollar appeared to be lacking strength to outperform its major counterparts amid the present uncertainty surrounding the Fed's future policy path. However, on Thursday, the greenback finally managed to gain some ground versus the single European currency. Traders largely ignored Germany's economic fundamentals released earlier in the day and started closing their long positions on the most popular currency pair on Forex. After breaking above 1.1410 levels, the euro-dollar pair printed a sharp decline. At the moment of writing the news, the euro was trading around the 1.1355 area. Currency strategists point out that despite today's upbeat data from Germany, there are some concerns about the overall health of the eurozone's economy. The official report showed that Germany's imports posted a surprise marginal slide of 0.2% in April, even though the latest drop turned out to be much smaller than the 2.3% fall logged in March. The figures still missed the expectations for a gain of 1.2%. At the same time, German export growth slowed significantly in April, raising fears about stagnation in Europe's largest economy. The country's exports were unchanged in April. The news, however, encouraged market participants as economists had predicted a decline of 0.6%. According to official data from the Federal Statistics Office, Germany's trade surplus edged up to 24 billion euro in April, hitting the highest mark since 1990. In March, the country's trade balance came in at 23.7 billion euro. Nevertheless, the euro reversed its trajectory against the US dollar. One of the factors weighing down on the currency pair was the speech delivered by ECB President. In today's remarks, Mario Draghi warned that the eurozone's economy is likely to slow down, which may be interpreted as a signal that further monetary easing by the ECB is still on the table. You are watching Forex TV channel with me, Katerina Stikhina. Have a nice trading with Forex.